Hey Ryan, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also going fantastic. Ryan, I have a question. Why do you think learning English is very important for us?
Well, it is very important question, I think. So, if I answer that question, we first have to know that English is an international language, right? Oh, yeah. Not only Bangladesh, but also the 5 countries they accept English as the second language. Even if you want to achieve a high degree job, you need to learn English. You will like want to know that you know English or not. Your English fluency is great or not. Even if you want to do a higher education in other country outside of Bangladesh, you need to know how to speak in English because their language is not similar to us. Their mother tongue is different. Also, our mother tongue is different. So there is only one option left, which is we need to come up with one language, which is English. So with using English, you can talk with them, and in communication with them, I can know how to ask them something, and they will able to like answer that question. And if you like think that I don't learn English, no need to English. Because why we need English? There are so many things you need to know first. That English is basically important. If you have to think about that, English is not a subject. It is a language. If you think about this way, you will be able to learn English more fast. And when you will be accurate in English, you will can achieve more number eyes, and with your eyes result, you will be able to go abroad. And not for study for others to get purpose too. If you know English, then they will hope when you show your certificate to them, when they will think that no, this man is no English. That means I need to give him some jobs, which is basically a high category like a director or a manager of a company. You can achieve this kind of job if you know English. So I hope you understand that what is the importance of English, right? Yes, sir.
Actually, I have another question. Do you think this environment is perfect for learning English?
Yeah, basically, if you want to learn anything, you need a perfect environment. Environment is very important for us as a human being. We learn from nature and also from beside us, which are that is available. So you can learn English from different institute. There are lots of institutes available, but English is basically different. They will provide you a better environment, which is basically so much helpful for us. That is correct. Yeah, and the most important thing about their education system is they will give you 1 hour auto session like that. In this auto session, you will be able to describe so many things with your friends frequently. You don't have to hesitate with that because you know that you're talking with your friends. There is no one is watching. You're free to say anything. You can describe anything you want, and when you are describing that, when you're gossiping with your friend, will invent so many words. You will find yourself a fluent speaker. And when you continue this process, one day, I think there is a possibility that with the end of this course, the 3 month course, you will be able to speak properly in front of your audience. So I think this environment is matter.
Yes, also I am agree with you because some people they say I didn't know about English, I didn't know. Actually, that is actually false. That is not true.
Yeah.
We learned 12 years, more than 12 years English. We know about some vocabulary, structure, but we didn't talk fluently. We didn't like talk with each other. That is the problem, our shyness.
Yeah.
This environment make us fluency.
Yeah.
How is it possible? That is because we stay togetherly, we talk with each other, English every day. Actually, environment, that is power of environment. That is nothing. That's why environment is very important. If you want to learn English, you have to make environment your beside, like English. And also English therapy provide us this type of environment. That's why we learn so easily. And right now, Alhamdulillah, in these 2 months, I learned so many things. And also I build up my fluency. How? Because of this environment. And also I have learned 12 years, more than 12 years, like my education time, class 1 to intermediate. But I didn't talk properly. I feel shy because the environment was not perfect. Right now, English therapy make this environment for us, for weak
Right.
students. That's why we will better day by day. We'll do better day by day. So that is environment power, and we should learn properly, and we should focus ourselves. English is the most important subject because Bengali is our mother tongue. But beside, in this like Bangladesh day by day developing, every day we use so many English beside Bengali. And also, if you want, you will do a great job. You will take a great opportunity. So you should have a great skill. So English is the best skill. If you learn English, if you fluent speaker, you talk with each other English easily, you can get more opportunity in our society and also other side. And another thing also you have said, if you want to go abroad, English must be need because they don't know our mother tongue Bengali. They know English. English is the one of the language every country's people know. Their mother tongue is different. But English, every country's people know. That's why English is the international language, and we should learn English and focus our study. Then inshallah we will be a fluent speaker, and we will doing great in our future maybe. Inshallah, if we learn English. So that's something.
Thank you.